Alright, hey guys, I hope you're still doing well. Let's continue with factoring quadratics when a is not 1a. In the last video I showed you how to do problem 1, which again just been review, but the next couple are pretty new. So here we see that I have generic rectangles where the inside is filled in. Now later on I'm going to show you how you can fill it in yourself. I think that happens in 2 lessons from now. But anyway, over here, it's ready to go. I'm going to zoom in on problem 5 and let's just see how we figure out the outsides. So, since I have the insides, I need to figure out what outsides multiply to give me what's in each of the boxes. And we're always going to start with the top left where I have 5x squared. There's really only one good way to make 5x squared. It's going to be 5x times x. So what I have to decide is, do I want the 5x in front over here, like this, 5x and x? Or do I want that 5 up at the top, maybe here? And so how do I decide that? Well, what I want to do is I want to look. If I put the 5x on top, I know I'm going to need to make 15x later on, and I just need to think, is there an easy way to do that? Is there an easy way to turn 5x into 15x? And there is. We should know that 5 times 3 is 15, so if I had a positive 3 down here, then when I multiply 5x times 3, I'm going to get 15x. So that works. Now, let's say I tried to put the 5 over here in front instead. Well, if I had the 5 here, I'd have a real problem making 2x. Now, of course, I could do that with a fraction, but we want to avoid fractions if we can, so let's not do it that way. The right way to do this one would be to have the 5 on the top. And as we said a second ago, if I have the 5x on top, then all I need to make 15x is to multiply by a positive 3. Now to finish it off, over here, if I have an x and I'm trying to make 2x, hopefully it's clear, I'm going to multiply by positive 2. And then we just check at the end, is the 3 and the 2 going to make 6? And yes, it does. So that's how I fill out the outside of a generic rectangle if the inside's filled in for me. Now let's go ahead and write our answer though. We're going to write that 5x squared plus 17x plus 6 is equal to, in factored form, the x plus 3 from the front times the 5x plus 2 from the top. And again, there's not really room to write it, but the whole idea is that this top thing is equal to this bottom thing. Alright, so again, we are starting some new things, so make sure you're keeping up every day, and hopefully that's not too hard for you. Alright, thank you.